Rain on my head, blood in my eye. My papa was dead, I brought him back to life. No knowledge to shed, I didn't stereotype. Bitches don't me keep my edge, I'm not talking about my knowledge. Nectar of the gods, enchanted rose garden. The road hard trod, tropical obstacles, crosswalking. Yokoroko Ashi back against the walls, bending knee, box trot and still spring, wrapped in cotton. Takamatsu Kitty was a tiger claw, maulman, witty as serpentine, relinquish those you harden. Just us, just solo nice, stay like it crushed, fall in line, libate the falling behind enemy. Entity shine, density, really minded, like Atlantis, hard to find it. Jades, no shards of pearls, rolls high with no assistance. Hey, women hide at home and provide no resistance. Great pyramid complex, observatory, the stars, cause ours on who's next. Part of Marsh pit, fill out paper terrorists. In reading, drafted, redacted, act as if a phantom tickle pink. Let it sink from the back, the frontal lobe. 3 eyes break the sharp and sight, step and razor strike like a knife, the death blow. My cranium cracked like a cosmic egg. Company should have trained a tuck and roll. Earth cries blood that overflow. Mud step slow, 8 trigram. Pass forward, divine diagram shows. Tetragramma pictures tapping windows of souls. Crying gamma, jubate, ninja scrolls. Shogunate, usurp temples. First law was mental, last period draw. Then pencil beat, poet blast off. Cast off, gross elemental. Close on non-essential. Where we go, nature is simple fruits. Bowering their bows, thin as a hair is the roll, sharper than a razor. Imam Ali's the signpost. Waves the wayfarer close and get to nearer, dangling above the mold. Love grows this pole, the steerer known as Michael. Long close, don't fear none, hear them, they're speaking now. Shadow work, strangers in the night above. Sleeping brows, furrow, as if anger, though speech is mild. Brainstorm is a wild style, unheard of, seen in a while. Rain on my head, blood in my eye. My papa was dead, I brought him back to life. No knowledge to shed, I didn't stereotype. But you taught me keep my edge, I'm not talking about my knife.